Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Afreen. I hope you're doing really well. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this product by MamaEarth. So this is Argan Shampoo with argan and apple cider vinegar. Now I love apple cider vinegar for my skin and hair both. So yeah, let's quickly jump into the video. I'll quickly tell you how this product works and everything about it. I've been trying a lot of MamaEarth products for the past, I guess, 6-7 months, and I absolutely love the quality. So quality wise I absolutely love this brand. I'm so happy that they always come up with new products for various requirements and stuff. So coming back to the product, this is how the packaging looks like. This is the classic, the classy MamaEarth packaging. They have got all the details on the bottle, so you get to know about the ingredients, directions and tips and everything. Also, this bottle is priced at rupees 349 only, so you get 250 ml product for 349 rupees. That's quite affordable, right? So yeah, and the best part about this packaging is the clip that you get. So just in case if you're traveling and you don't have like a travel version shampoo bottle, then you can definitely carry it. So it's like once you lock, the pump does not work, so it's easy to even carry when you're traveling. MamaEarth is a plastic positive brand, so they recycle more plastic than they use, and they've got like all natural ingredients in there. That's what I absolutely love about this product. Let me talk to you about the application and the usage. So I tried this shampoo last night. I washed my hair using this shampoo. I did not use any conditioner post shampoo because I wanted to test the shampoo really well. I wanted to see how this works by itself. So far this is how my hair looks like. So far this is how it feels like. Now I have extremely oily and greasy scalp and dry ends, so this is something that works well for me. Why? Because this is super, it cleanses well, and can you see that my scalp has literally no oil or greasiness here. You can see the shine. Now this is not oil, this is the shine that the shampoo gave me after using this. So far it feels kind of smooth and soft without conditioner. Obviously it's not that silky and smooth, but it's not bad either. Like, I quite liked it. Now, this product claims that it's going to help you for hair fall and stuff, but I think it's too early to tell you if this is helping me in hair fall or not, because I tried it only like twice or thrice, so I can't really tell you if this is going to work for hair fall. But so far the ingredients are pretty good for your hair. So yeah, that's about it. So just in case if you are planning to get this product, you can buy it from MamaEarth's website and claim 20% discount on this product by using the code Afreen20. Otherwise you can also get this product from Nykaa, Amazon, Purple. I will put the links down below. You can directly shop. So yeah, that's about it. I think this product is great if you are someone who is not too much into conditioners. If you don't like to use conditioners on a daily basis, then you can definitely try the shampoo and skip your conditioner. That's what I have realized. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys find it meaningful and useful. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this product, or if you have tried, or share your experience. I would love to know that. So yeah, I will see you guys super soon. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye.